现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase no problem or it's okay 叫做没关系
没关系
没关系 OK 就是 it's okay, go do what you need to do. In fact, how about today? Let's give you a situation where a bunch of colleagues or friends, they're going to have dinner tonight, but one is still doing overtime working, asking the other people to head over to the restaurant first. Okay, let's hear this situation. 我们来听这样的状况。
喊啲嘅加班係麼？
唔到先出發啦，我還有一段時間。
沒關係，我都等。
哎呦，他們要等他哦。
對啊，多好啊！
反正等也在這裡等，在那邊也要等。
對，
就乾脆一起走好了 right? All right, so apparently his friends are saying, we'll wait for you. So let's break it down one by one. First line is, 還在加班嗎? Are you still putting overtime in?
喊啲嘅加班係麼？
喊啲嘅加班係麼? Okay, 加班加班 that's overtime. Still working overtime. 還在嗎?
喊啲嘅
Okay, that means are you still working overtime right now? Well, the answer is yes. So the person says, 你們先出發吧，我還要一段時間. Why don't you guys head over first? I still need some time.
唔到先出發啦。
唔先出發啦。
我還要一段時間。唔到先出發啦。我還要一段時間。
一段時間就一
段。
Okay, 一段 that means a little bit of time, a section of time. I still need a bit of time, basically, is what it means. So, 你們先出發。出發 that means to depart or to leave and head over first. Okay. 那對方說沒關係，我們等你。It's okay, we will wait for you.
沒關係，
我都等。我們等你。等 Okay, 等 means to wait. It's you, so we'll wait for you. 這時候對方就壓力大，要做事做快一點了，對不對？其實也不錯啦。All right, let's review some of the phrases that we brought up, including overtime, 加班 to depart or to leave, 出發 and to wait, which is 等 All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
喊啲嘅加班係麼？
唔到先出發啦，我還有一段時間。
沒關係，我都等。
And this month, it's all about no problem, it's okay, we got you, 沒關係
沒關係
這聽起來就大家就壓力少一點了Okay, I'll take it easy 那種感覺 But that is today's practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.